Hi, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching. Let me ask you, would you like to make far better financial decisions for your business? The problem is far too many business owners are often making their financial decisions based on what's in the bank account or what's not in the bank account. Even worse, sometimes they can be based on the feelings, and that can be a real recipe for disaster. Successful business owners know the numbers game. They know the numbers in their business. They understand the numbers in their business. So here are 3 steps you can take to better understanding the numbers in your business, which will lead to you making better financial decisions. And the first one is getting accurate accounts. Think about it. How are you going to make good decisions with bad information? And by making sure your accounts are firstly up to date and that they're accurate, it's really going to help you make those decisions because it's going to show you what's actually happening in your business in a timely manner. The second thing is to invest some time and money into your financial education so that you're better doing this type of stuff. And just like learning a new language, you've got to learn the language of business, which is numbers. Things like the difference between cash flow and profit, understanding the difference between gross margin and net margin, understanding the drivers in your business, taking the time to invest in yourself by doing courses or reading books or by watching videos or by getting coached. You'll start to learn what those numbers really mean and which ones you need to be keeping a closer eye on. And finally, review your numbers on a regular basis. Now, when you review your numbers, you'll start to get a good handle on what's actually happening in the business. You'll start to notice and understand the trends in the numbers and what's impacting the numbers, what causes a good month, what causes a bad month. One of the great things we get to do with all our clients every month as a minimum is they review their numbers versus the targets and also what happened last month against the same month last year. And by doing it this way, you start to build a picture of what's actually happening in the business. And the more you know about what's happening, the easier it's going to be for you to make better financial decisions. You'll make quicker decisions, more solid decisions, and the ones that are going to be a benefit for you and your business's future. So if you need some help understanding your numbers better and really want to know some of the key drivers of what makes your business tick, then just message us. Let us know. I'd love to see if we can help. Thank you for watching.